What does this mean?
That means friends.
What does this mean?
That means friends.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Do you know him?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Do you know him?
Yes, she is my grandmother.